Here's a concise and engaging summary of A Bicycle in Good Repair for Class 7, along with a subtle call to subscribe to Bharat Self-Learning. All within 170 words. In A Bicycle in Good Repair, the narrator decides to go on a bicycle ride with a friend. However, the friend's enthusiasm for repairing bicycles quickly turns the outing into a series of comical mishaps. The friend dismantles the bicycle, claiming to fix minor issues, but ends up creating a bigger mess. The narrator watches in dismay as the bicycle is taken apart piece by piece. Despite the friend's confidence, the repairs only make things worse, leaving the bicycle in a far worse condition than before. The story humorously highlights the perils of overconfidence and the importance of knowing one's limits when it comes to repairs. Want to make learning fun and engaging? Subscribe to Bharat Self-Learning for more interesting lessons and summaries. This summary captures the essence of the story in an engaging way while promoting Bharat Self-Learning.